Attention! The ultimate Southeast Asia travel bucket list is here. Experience a 16-day journey across 2 secret countries, visit primitive mountain tribes, ride unique basket boats, head to Angkor Wat, which carries 1,000 years of Khmer civilization, and taste authentic street food. Follow an experienced local tour guide, and unlock this exclusive travel route. You can experience the scenery of Vietnam and Cambodia on one single journey. Your journey begins in Hanoi, Vietnam's vibrant capital. Step off the plane, relax at your hotel, and get ready to dive into rich history. Explore the iconic Tran Quoc Pagoda and the solemn Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. In the afternoon, take a thrilling cyclo ride through the Old Quarter. Savor authentic Vietnamese street food, and finish your day with a magical water puppet show at Thang Long Theater. Then, board a comfortable overnight train to the mountains. Wake up in the breathtaking mountain town of Sapa. Lace up your shoes for a 15-kilometer trek through stunning rice paddy terraces. Walk through Cat Cat and Ta Van villages, meeting local ethnic minority families. The next day, ride one of the world's most impressive cable cars to the peak of Mount Fansipan. Stand on the roof of Indochina at over 3,000 meters high, breathing in the fresh mountain air before your return train to Hanoi. Next, discover the serene countryside of Ninh Binh. Cycle through quiet villages and take a relaxing bamboo boat ride through the stunning grottoes of Tam Quoc. Then, head to world-famous Halong Bay. Board a luxury cruise ship to sail across emerald waters. Try kayaking in hidden lagoons, join an onboard cooking class, and spend a romantic night under the stars. Fly to central Vietnam and step back in time in Hoi, an ancient town. Spin around in a traditional bamboo basket boat through the water coconut forest of Cam Than. Wander past centuries-old merchant houses and colorful Chinese assembly halls. Afterward, travel north to Hue, the former imperial capital. Explore the Grand Imperial Citadel and take a relaxing dragon boat ride along the Perfume River while listening to traditional folk songs. Fly south to Saigon, Vietnam's bustling economic hub. Go underground to explore the historic Cu Chi tunnels used during the Vietnam War. Return to the city to admire stunning French colonial architecture at the Notre Dame Cathedral and the old Saigon Post Office. Dive into the vibrant culture of Co Linh, the city's massive Chinatown, before ending your busy day. Cross the border into Cambodia. Welcome to Siem Reap, home to the legendary temples of Angkor. Watch a magical sunrise over the magnificent towers of Angkor Wat. Wander through Ta Prohm, where massive jungle trees grow right through ancient stone ruins. After a day of temple exploration, completely relax your body with a traditional Khmer herbal spa treatment. Travel by private car through the Cambodian countryside to the capital city of Phnom Penh. Explore the deep history at the National Museum and the Royal Palace with its dazzling silver pagoda. Celebrate your final evening with a relaxing sunset cruise on the Mekong River, watching the city lights begin to shine. After 16 incredible days, your unforgettable journey comes to an end. Book your dream trip with us today, and let the adventure begin.